I'm Sovik and welcome back to my channel Roy's Quest. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your bike like a professional guy in a service center. Friends, first of all, if you take your bike to a service center, it will cost around 200 bucks for each wash. So you can save that money easily at home and you can do that things easily at home. I'll show you how to do that. But before that, if you like my video, watch till the end and please like, share and subscribe my channel. So then don't waste the time and come with me. Let's see how we can do it like a professional way. For that bike washing professionally, you need to have one pressure washer. So I purchased it. Please focus on this. I purchased compact K2 pressure washer. The function, this machine looks like this. What we need to have, one power connection, that is, and one inlet connection and one outlet connection. So how to fix that one, I'll show you. See, this is the gun. This is the gun. Here is the clip. See, you just need to push it out like this. Here is the pipe. See, there is a flat face and here is also a flat face. We have to insert this pipe like this and fix this clip. So this portion is finished, and this is the outlet portion. This portion is getting connected with this one. That's all. Now the power connection we have to fix, but before that, here is two nozzles we can see. This is high pressure nozzle. This can be used for the car washing and washing for the scales and all. Fix that one first. Second is that this is comparatively low pressure and it's some kind of spiral force, you can see. Okay, so how to fix that one? See, here is the flat surface here. Here is also the flat surface here. Okay, so just push it and rotate, it will fix. So finally all this is made. Here is the water inlet connection and here is a quick release connector. It's a pipe for garden hose, flexible pipe. You can easily purchase from market, no problem, not an issue. This quick connector should be put like this and our connection is ready. Now we'll go for the pressure washer. Okay.
microfiber towel. We'll clean it, this thing, after washing. See, this is one liquid polish. This is one liquid polish. We will take one clean microfiber cloth and we will take some polish on it. We'll just spray some polish on it. You can see my image on it.